check out the blue garage, the white garage, and the red garage. I wonder who's inside. Let's see who's inside the blue garage. Oh no, the door doesn't open. How about the white garage? Oh no, the door doesn't open either. Maybe the red will open. Oh no, the door won't open. But wait a minute. What's this? Is this the key to the blue garage? Let's see. Okay. Yes, it opened. Whoa, check out this vehicle. It's a red fire truck, and here is the ladder. Whoa! And the fire truck goes wee 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 wee. Wow, good job, fire truck. You can stay right there while we try to open up the white garage. Maybe the white key will work to open the white garage. Let's give it a try. It turned. Let's see if it opens. Yay! It is... Dun, 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 dun! It's a yellow school bus. Whoa, check it out. And here's the stop sign. Wow, super cool. And the school bus goes. Whoa, check it out. Super cool. Okay, school bus, stay right there while we try to open up the red garage. Let's see who's inside the red garage. It's a green garbage truck. Wow, this truck carries garbage. Super cool. And this part lifts up. Whoa. And the garbage truck goes boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Cool, right? So we have the red fire truck that goes we have this school bus, yellow school bus that goes and then we have the green garbage truck that goes whoa, check it out! Which one's your favorite? Is it the green garbage truck, yellow school bus, or the red fire truck? It's an emergency. Okay, fire truck, time to go back into your blue garage. There you go. We'll close the garage and lock the garage. Okay, now for the school bus. Whoa. Okay, in you go, in your white garage. We'll close the door. There we go. And get the key to lock the garage. All right. And here's the green garbage truck. Okay, garbage truck, time to go inside your red garage. and we'll close the door. Whoa. And here is our key, our red key, to lock the garage. There we go. Our vehicles are safe inside.